Are you thinking of studying at Adam Mickiewicz University Poznań? Are you facing the recruitment process? Get to know our online admission system. You can find the link to the online admission system on our website or just simply type rekrutacja.amu.edu.pl/en in your browser. Create an account. Go to the online admission system, click on My Account and select Register. Read the information clause and tick the required statements. Provide your citizenship information and select the documents you hold. Please note, select none of the above if you do not possess any of the listed documents. Complete the information required to create your account, such as your email and password, and proceed. Fill in your personal details on your registration form, ensuring that they match your passport spelling. It is important to provide your current residence address and your postal address. Next, pick the degree type and level of the study you are interested in and fill in the details of the school you graduated from. Complete the basic information about your matura, bearing in mind that documents obtained abroad are treated as foreign documents, the abroad matura. Make sure that the details you have provided are correct before you complete your registration. Congratulations! Your account has been created. Select your major. Log in to the system using the email address and password you provided upon account registration. A simple menu will guide you through the registration process, while the system itself suggests the next steps. Pay attention to the prompts displayed in the boxes. To register for the degree program you are interested in, click on the Enroll button located next to the Enrolling in the program in the table mentioned earlier. Using the appropriate filters, such as level of study or language of instruction, makes it easier for you to find your desired major. Select a major. Check the course description, our requirements, and the list of necessary documents. Do not forget to look at the enrollment calendar to make sure you do not miss any important dates. Click on the Enroll button next to Enrollment Calendar. The courses you have enrolled for will be accessible to review in My Enrollment tab, along with a checklist of what to do in the next steps. Attach documents. To attach documents, follow the link beside uploading all required attachments in the checklist alongside your enrollments. The system will automatically transfer you to the relevant My Attachments tab, where you can enter all the required documents. Use the blue Attach File button to add your documents in the PDF format, ensuring that the documents comprising multiple pages are scanned into one multi-page file. Be careful to upload the documents in the right places. If you have any doubts regarding the documentation, feel free to expand Show Additional Information for further clarification. In case you do not hold a document proving your language proficiency at the appropriate level, don't worry. You can always take our internal language test, available under Take the Test button. Once everything is ready, wait for the documents to be verified by the MAU officer. Pay your enrollment fee. Return to the Summary tab, scroll to the Enrollment Fee Payment section and click Pay Enrollment Fees. The amount to be paid will be filled automatically. Verify or enter the payer's information. Verify your details again, and if everything is correct, click Accept. You will be redirected to the payment page. Follow the instructions. Add a photo. Go to Summary and click on Upload a photo, placed next to attaching a photo. Select the photo file and upload it. The photo must be as per the requirements for issuing ID cards. The table will also tell you the resolution and format of the file. Frame the photo and save the changes. The photograph will await verification by an MAU officer. Complete further information on your matura. To complete further information on your Matura, from the Summary tab, go to Entering Matura Information and click on Fill in the information. Review the data you have already provided and fill in the missing information. The document number, the document issuance date, following the indicated format, and the place where the document was issued. Your results, except for candidates from Ukraine and Belarus, are converted individually by the MAU officer into the Polish scale. After conversion, your final score will appear in the system automatically. All done. Simple, right? Now all you need to do is wait for the admissions result and then re-upload your documents, confirming your desire to study at MAU. Your study adventure begins right now.